Hey guys, Dan with MicroFPV. It's been a while since I created a video for YouTube. Just work and family and Micro Control, my little side business that I have, has kept me extremely busy over the last few months. But I thought it'd be a good idea to kind of kick things back up again. I've been getting into Fusion 360 by Autodesk. It's an amazing 3D CAD CAM software. Doing some 3D printing, like I said. Getting back into my quadcopter flying. So what I thought I would do is design a little battery pack holder cage protector, because when I'm flying the little quadcopter and I do some hard landings on concrete, I get worried that I'm going to basically puncture the LiPo battery and cause a bunch of other problems. So I'm going to basically in this video show you guys, a few little tips and tricks that I learned. And let me know if you guys want more of that stuff, if you want to know more about 3D printing or more about, Fusion 360, or even about running a little side business, Micro Control, which does some home automation stuff. Yeah, so basically let me know in the comments below, but let's kick this thing in and I'll show you what I've been working on. So here's what I built. I built that little battery cage, and through this process I actually figured out in Fusion 360 a very cool tip. So I'm going to show that to you guys here next. So a neat feature of Fusion 360 is the ability where you can insert a canvas or import an image as a background. Once you do that, I basically scanned in the frame, but you can also calibrate that background image to the real world object, right? So we can select 2 points there and there, and it gives us a measurement of 42.37, which I already entered in, but if you measure the frame itself, it's 42.37, and that allows us to basically make the background image that we just placed actual size, so now we can basically add our bodies or build on top of that pretty accurately. And so you can see here what I've done is I designed this body, which is the cage that snaps to the frame. The battery fits on the inside. I hollowed it out because I wanted to keep the weight down, and then once I was happy with this, I exported it out to Simplify 3D, which is what you see right now. This tool allows us to basically export the code that's needed for the 3D printer, but it also allows us to put structures. You see the gray elements right there, which are for any kind of overhangs. This model doesn't really need it, but it actually makes it a little bit easier to print out and a little bit higher quality. It allows you to also simulate what a 3D printer will look like when it's printing it, and then you can basically save the tool path to your hard drive, which is what you basically send to the 3D printer, and then it starts to print. So how did it print? I think pretty good. For the most part, there was very minimal cleanup. You just had to break off the support structures. Any little rough edges, you could take some sandpaper or some wire snips, but it was pretty good. I also printed out a solid one just for some weight difference calculations. The one that I printed with the hollow mark was about 5 grams versus about 9.6, 9.5 grams. The attachment is pretty straightforward. Just once you get the cabling kind of routed in there, pretty much snaps on fairly elegantly. There's 2 tabs on each side, so once you attach the one side, you just flip it over and try to squeeze in the little cables and snap on the other side. Okay, let's try this out. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, please like the video, please give it a thumbs up, please leave some comments below, and definitely please reach out and let me know what type of content you'd like me to start publishing on this channel. Your feedback is going to be the wind for my sail to basically start producing as much content for this channel as possible. Again, it could be 3D printing, it could be Fusion 360, it could be electrical engineering, pretty much anything, home automation. That's all pretty much my passion, so definitely leave the comments below and let me know what you'd like to see. Until next time, I'm Danny Marmonides for MicroFPV. See you guys later.